Today we're going to guide you through the process of activating your Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. Whether you've just received a new card or need to reactivate an existing one, the step-by-step tutorial will make it easy, so let's get started. First, you'll need to access the Dubai Islamic Bank website. Open your browser and go to di.ae. On the home page, click on the login button. On the home page, click on the login button. Enter your online banking credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the card section from the dashboard menu. There you can see related options to your debit card. Click on activate card or manage card depending on what's available. You'll be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number or any required information. Enter your card number, expiry date, and the security code found on the back of your card. You may also need to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered mobile number or email. After entering your details and verification code, click Submit or Activate. You should receive a confirmation message that your card has been successfully activated. And that's it. Your Dubai Islamic Bank debit card should now be activated and ready to use.